Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the sense booster in catching the insects in Heartopia game. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to equip my sense booster. I got it from completing a quest from Nania. Okay, this one, sense booster item, and it says highlights nearby insects for 120 seconds and guarantees capture of logged targets. Okay, I'm going to click on use and let's practice it together. Okay, I'm going to start to catch this butterfly, and as you can see guys that we have a highlight of the nearby insect, but I failed to catch this one. Okay, let's try it again. I think it's too far, but you can see the highlight, right? The highlight is this butterfly icon. Okay, finally I could catch this frostbore butterfly, and let's move to another one. Where's the highlight? Okay, this is the highlight. It will help you catching the butterfly easier guys using this highlight. And okay guys, that's how you can use the sense booster in catching insects in Heartopia game. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.